We're now looking at Chapter 5, or Table of Contents for the thesis topic, Transformation of Jamaica's Education System in a Global Crisis, a Constructivist View. We have looked at Chapter 1, Chapter 2, Chapter 3, and Chapter 4. Now we're moving forward to explore the table of contents topics covered for Chapter 5, Chapter 6, Chapter 7, and Chapter 8. Let's explore Chapter 5. We have philosophical and methodological foundation. That's Chapter 5, philosophical and methodological foundation. 5.1, introduction, which reveal a model of the interpretivist research program paradigm. So 5.1, introduction, a model of the interpretivist research paradigm. 5.2, problem, purpose, and research question. 5.3, the philosophical approach and stance. Figure 5.2, the study is grounded in a constructivist paradigm. 5.31, 5.32, 5.33, and 5.34, we have ontology. 5.31, epistemology. 5.32, theoretical perspective. 5.33 and 5.34, methodology. 5.4, definition and purpose of grounded theory. 5.4, definition and purpose of grounded theory. The discovery and development of grounded theory. The methodological development of grounded theory. The advancement and progression of grounded theory. The development of constructivist grounded theory. Not only the development of constructivist grounded theory, but we explored 5.4, constructivist grounded theory process, grounded theory reflection, data collection methods. 5.51, preparing for data collection in a global pandemic, before and after. 1, educational leaders participating in research approach. 2, strategies implemented by the researcher to protect the participants. 3, suitability of the selected interview strategy. 4, participants' documentation. 5, educational leaders' role in establishing sensitizing concepts. Requirement of participants taking part in the study. Table 5.1, participants' requirements to participate in the study. The 5.52, the constructivist grounded theory philosophical paradigm. My rationale for selecting constructivist grounded theory. Benefits of using grounded theory strategies. Benefits and limitations of CGT, inductive and abductive design. So, benefits of using grounded theory strategies. So, it's 1, my rationale for selecting constructivist grounded theory. 2, benefits of using grounded theory strategies. 3, benefits and limitations of CGT, inductive and abductive design. We'll now look at research design methods. The research design methods. So 5.6, research design methods. 5.61, sampling strategy. 2, initial sampling and data collection. 5.63, theoretical sampling, TS, initial and advanced sampling. 5.631, benefits of theoretical sampling, initial and advanced. 5.64, participants and criteria for selection process. 5.7, CGT, intensive interviewing strategies. CGT IS. Figure 5.5, the bottom-up data analysis and coding process. 5.71, documentation collection. 2, introduction. 5.72, introduction, data collection and analysis process. Then we have 1, early initial coding. 2, benefits of the early line-by-line coding. 3, focus coding. Focus coding, a higher level of analysis, advanced level. Theoretical coding. 3, procedural verification strategies, limitations of data collection and analysis during COVID-19 crisis, ethical consideration in constructivist grounded theory. Finally, summary of chapter 5. We'll now explore chapter 6. For chapter 6, we looked at the findings. 6.1, the introduction. 6.2, the process of constant comparative analysis. 6.21, memo writing. To the figure, the steps for preparing to collect data. So we're looking at the steps of collecting, from preparing to collect the data to the emerged theory. 6.2.2, steps preparing to collect an analysis of the data to the emerged theory. 6.2.3, introduction to data collection. Then we look at reporting the findings. As we explore reporting the findings, figure 6.2, NVivo Ministry of Education participants' responses, coding by item. NVivo NCEL supporting educational leaders, participants' responses. NVivo educational leadership preparation, participants' responses. Figure 6.3a, Excel participants' responses to research question 1, level 1. Figure 6.3, key participants, P3. Key participant P3 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel software. Figure 6.4, Excel participants' responses to research question 1 and 2. Participants P9 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Participants' response to research question 1, level 3. Key participants P10 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Excel participants' responses to research question infant level 1. Key participants P3 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Excel participants' responses to research questions RQ2 primary level. Key participant P8 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Excel participant responses to research question 2, high schools, level 3. Key participants P12 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Key participant, or rather Excel participants, responses to research question 3, infant level 1. Key participants P4 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Excel key participants' responses to research question 3, level 2. Key participants P9 results were consistent using NVivo and Excel. All right. And we would have gone through not just P9, but Excel participant responses to research question 3, high level 3, and that's the high school. Key participants 12 results were consistent using NVivo and Excel. Excel participants' responses to research question 4, infant level 1. Key participants P4 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Excel participants' responses to research question RQ4 level 2. Key participants P7 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. Excel participants' responses to research question 4, level 3. Key participants P11 results were consistent using both NVivo and Excel. We are now at 6.31, summary of research findings, and 6.32, summary of the main findings. Then we looked at for 6.3 to 1, inclusion, accountability, transparency, and trust. Then 2, inequity. 3, the role of the MOE and NCEL, the role of the Ministry of Education and NCEL, the impact of COVID-19 on Jamaica's Vision 2030, the role of faith and the Creator, and 6, family values. So there were 6 key themes for the key summary of the findings. So to summarize the findings of the study came under 6 themes. The first theme was IATT. So that's IAT square, which is the 6 themes. Theme 1, inclusion, accountability, transparency, and trust. Theme 2, inequity. Theme 3, the role of the Minister of Education and NCEL. Theme 3, the impact of COVID-19 on Jamaica's Vision 2030. That's theme 4. Theme 5, the role of faith and the creator. And theme 6, family values. So we're now looking at chapter 7, and this is a chapter where all the discussion is taking place. So next we'll be looking at chapter 7. All right, so we're gonna